You got our wheat flour, our eggs, our milk, yeast, and beschuit. Or you can use breadcrumbs.
And butter!
But first we're going to separate 5 of our eggs because we only need the yolks. And then we're going to crumble our beschuit. Then we'll add our yeast to our flour. And our beschuit or breadcrumbs. And we'll whisk it up. Then we'll beat our eggs and add them to the flour.
And this is also the point where you add butter! I forgot, but I added it later, after filming.
And you mix it all together. Then we'll cover it with a damp tea towel and store it in a warm place. The dough will rise about 2 times its size, so make sure your bowl is big enough or you're using 2 bowls.
The next day.
And here we have our dough. As you can see, it has risen about 2 times its size. I didn't realize it would be this severe, so I scooped some into a second bowl and also covered that with a wet tea towel. And at this time we have preheated the waffle iron and we're going to make some waffles. Make sure to butter your waffle iron before putting the dough on. They have a pretty mild flavor. You do taste the yeast, but most of the flavor comes from the toppings you put on it.